Hello friends, I am dietitian Forum Sabla and today we are going to talk about high protein diets. So in this type of diet series, we have seen ketogenic diets, we have seen intermittent diets, we have seen raw soup salad diets, and now we are going to talk about the high protein diet, which is again a very popular form which dietitians use for losing weight. Okay. Now what is protein? It's made up of amino acids, we know that, and there are approximately 22 amino acids, out of which 9 are essential amino acids which our body cannot make, and we have to give it through food. Right? What are the sources of protein? In my past videos also have talked about it, that we talk about milk and milk products, we talk about nuts and seeds, we talk about legumes and pulses, we talk about whole grains. So these are broadly, and soy and soy products, not to forget, these are broadly the vegetarian sources, and non-vegetarian sources include the fish, eggs, chicken, and some meats. So yeah, basically this particular group is the protein group, which is used by most of the dietitians to lose weight. Let's see how. Now if you have to know the functions of protein, protein is basically used for muscle building, for strengthening. Okay. Second, it also is a lot of enzymes are made up of proteins basically. Third, for all the hormones, protein is very essential. And fourth, for transportation purposes, like for example hemoglobin is a protein which helps to carry oxygen from one part of the cell to the other in the body, right? So these are broadly the functions of protein. Hence protein is very, very important and cannot be ignored. But what are the pros and cons of taking a high protein diet in terms of losing weight? So when we talk about advantages, there are very many. It definitely helps to build your muscles up. So the body composition increases with the lean mass increment. Okay. It helps to kind of lower your appetite. So if you have a high protein meal, you feel full for a very long time. Also, the appetite decreases, so you don't feel hungry for a long time. Okay. Third, if we had to check, it helps in weight loss, which I have quite forgotten. Yeah. So all these three are the basic advantages of the high protein meals, and that is why it's very popular, because if you are on a high protein diet, you're sure having a leaner body and you're going to lose weight. But there are some disadvantages also that we have to consider. So if you are diabetic, for example, and your kidneys are not functioning very well, then you may have to see whether or not you can be on a high protein diet, because uncontrolled diabetics normally have compromised kidney functioning, and if you have compromised kidney functioning, to preserve the functioning of the kidneys, you cannot go on a high protein diet. Similarly, even people with a moderate or a advanced kidney failure or a kidney functioning impairment cannot go on a high protein diet and have to consult a nephrologist before going on these kind of diets. And last but not least, the kidney stone patients. So kidney people who have actually kidney stones or are prone to having kidney stones time and again cannot go on a high protein diet. Also, now if I'm going to summarize this entire series, because this is the last episode of the types of diet, I always feel a person must go on a balanced diet. Just don't fall prey to anything that's coming in the market, because it's not quite researched. It's just done on some people. Some people have followed it, they have got results. They do not know the health hazards behind it. So don't take up something which you don't know just because your friends or colleagues are telling you that they have got results. So don't do that. Second, have a proper research work about your body as well. So do your homework. What suits you, what doesn't suit you, what is your medical profile, what is your blood work like, what problems you have, if you're facing any allergies. So do your complete homework at least about your body, so that when you're meeting a dietitian and telling her your problem, she can advise you the best suited diet for you. And if you have any problems, so regarding the diets, please leave it in the comment sections. If it is not very personalized, we will definitely answer you those. And if it is personalized, you can consult me. All the consultations will be given, numbers and the other details will be given in the description column. So thank you for seeing the video. Meet you with some next exciting videos. Bye bye for now.